Hey there, welcome back to Ask Allison. Here's today's question. How do you tell your existing insurance clients that you're going to be private pay helpfully? My goal is to go private pay at the end of the year, and I need help figuring out how it's done. So first, I'd like to thank TherapyNotes for sponsoring us. Similar to raising your rates, know that 99% of the therapists that I've talked to have that it wasn't nearly as bad as I thought it'd be experience. Across the books, we really overestimate how many clients can't afford our private pay rates. We have scripts for how to do this over in the What to Say When course in the Abundance Party, but the gist is to keep it short and sweet, allow space for processing, and have an answer as to why in your back pocket. Don't lead with it. But if they ask, have an answer prepared. It actually looks defensive. I say that because it looks super defensive when you're like, your insurance never pays me or whatever. Like it's also often too much information for some of your clients. So I would also come prepared to each of those conversations. And these are going to be conversations, not just like paperwork you email people. But have options for what your clients can do, whether that's if they can't afford your full fee. So whether that's a sliding scale, whether that's referrals of people you truly trust for your clients. Timing wise, make sure you have the date that you're going to be off the panel before you have the conversation with folks. Once you've let insurance companies know that you want to leave the panel, they'll let you know by which date you're done by their estimation and your contract. So depending on the company, I've heard anywhere from 2 months to 1 year. The 1 year is an outlier, so don't worry about that. But my personal experience with this was that I said, I want to be off your panel. They said, okay, here's the date 3 months later that you will be off our panel. I would let your clients know 1 to 2 months ahead of time if you're doing short-term work, maybe a little bit longer if you're doing longer term work, but I don't know that that's really necessary beyond 2 months. Absolutely have them sign a new financial agreement in or before their first session with you when you're no longer taking their insurance. And I'm going to reiterate that among the very many people, I'm talking hundreds, if not 1,000 of people that I have worked with through this process, it always goes better than you think it's going to go. Yeah, so if you want access to our script for this, as well as tons of support and marketing, which you're gonna need if you are going private pay, you're gonna need more marketing support probably, or more marketing efforts at least, even if you totally know what you're doing now, you gotta double that effort in order to get people in the door. Then you can come and join us over in the Abundance Party where we teach you how to do that and we support you in doing it. That's only $49 a month and it teaches you everything you need to know to have the practice that you want. So if you have questions for me for Ask Allison, please DM me over on Instagram where I'm abundance_practice_building. All right, thanks.